Speaking about the Chinese government yesterday, 26th August 2025, President Trump said in a video, "If they don't give us magnets, then we have to charge them 200% tariff or something. But we're not going to have a problem, I don't think, with that." Then he added, talking about airplane parts from US to China, 200 of their planes were unable to fly because we were not giving them Boeing parts purposely, because they weren't giving us magnets. Therefore, we weren't giving them. But we have a much more powerful thing that's tariffs. If we want to put 100%, 200% tariffs on, we wouldn't do any business with China. And it would be okay too if we had to. Now, we made 2 videos in the past on rare earth minerals and magnets. Those are what Trump is talking about in his remarks. We said in those first 2 videos that the magnets are used to produce military jets, missiles, and other equipment needed by the US military. They are also required to produce smartphones, car engines, and many more office and home electronic gadgets. We also informed you that throughout the entire planet, China produces 70% of useful rare earth minerals, from which the magnets are extracted, and that China processes 90% of the rare earth minerals to get the magnets. We told you that America used to both produce the rare earth minerals and then process them to get the magnets. That what had happened was that America decided that it was cost-effective to just buy the rare earth minerals and their magnets from China. This was the decision made by US lawmakers and business leaders about 40 years ago. China has since created rare earth chemistry courses in several universities inside China. All the tools needed to produce the minerals and then process them into magnets are in China. By stating that China must supply US with rare earth magnets or face 200% tariffs and no sale of Boeing aircraft parts to China, Trump is just making rhetorical suggestion and not declaring policy shifts. But if in the future Trump decides to adopt this rhetorical suggestion as a new public policy, then China will have to react to that. When this happens, we will discuss the possible implications.